Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of product rendering, that is, creating product photography with digital 3D assets derived directly from your manufacturing CAD data. Our client, Epimed, is known for its state-of-the-art sharps and catheters that are used in radiology, in anesthesia, and other fields. In the past, they've used traditional product photography, but it's really a challenge to get crisp pictures of very small objects with a typical camera lens. Our process begins when we receive a STEP file from the manufacturer. STEP is a common file format for sharing CAD data. And since it's derived from the manufacturing data, it has every detail intact. We can control the precision of how Maya turns that CAD data into triangles. Let's take down the chord height. The curve gets much smoother. And then we add light to it. And this is where the miracle happens. You see how the image quality is changing as I move the camera around. It's re-rendering on the fly, live in the viewport, so I can see exactly what the lighting and rendering will look like in the final image. We start with a standard, what I call a 2/4 view on this object, as well as a close-up on this high-tech needle. This object is less than 1 millimeter wide. It would be so difficult to take a clear photograph of the entire half of the needle with a conventional camera. Typical product image portfolio will include several standard angles on every single product. Typical 3/4 and straight-on shots that are very useful for catalogs and websites. Using pre-built setups saves production time and makes it easy to maintain a consistent visual style and image structure across all products. Better still, the asset is reusable. Having created the photorealistic 3D asset, we can now show it in combinations, in novel layouts, a custom image or an animation for a brochure, a print campaign, a website. Those are just a couple of the ways that using 3D to create product imagery makes life easier. Your engineering team has probably already created most of the data needed for beautiful 3D visualization. So let's leverage that engineering asset to create a marketing asset. That's a little tour of how we built it. I'm Adam Gravois. Thanks for watching.